Imagine living in a time when you didn't have to lock your doors at night. Welcome back to reality. The truth is today, many of us don't feel safe in our own homes. Fact is, the number one way criminals enter a home is through the front door. Doorricade is a barricade for your door, appropriately called the Doorricade Door Bar. It's the most effective way to replace your conventional door locks, made from the best quality materials, such as a military-grade solid aluminum bar and our new patented hinge brackets that are stronger, accommodate for thicker trim molding, and secures the bar with pivot locks. Doorricade is easy to install. Just place hinge brackets at desired height, mark and drill holes with 1/8 inch drill bit. Install with our 3-inch screws, which are long enough to reach the wall studs on both sides of the door. Place bar on hinge brackets, and now your door is secure. It's time to get serious about your home security with the Doorricade Door Bar.